Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the washer timer in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the control panel assembly. Detach the panel assembly. Make sure the washer timer knob is pushed in. Now use a small flathead screwdriver to pry out the retaining pin so you can remove the knob. Next, pull the timer dial forward to detach. Use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread the front screw securing the timer. Lift the water temperature switch arm up and rotate the switch so you can fully access the rear screw securing the timer. Slide the timer to the right to detach. Lift up the tab to disconnect the wire connector. Install the new washer timer by first connecting the wire connector. Now insert the tabs into the slots in the control panel assembly. Thread the rear screw. Fully reposition the water temperature switch. Thread the front screw. Reinstall the timer dial by aligning it on the shaft until it is flush against the control panel. Replace the timer knob. Now push the retaining pin in to secure. Reinstall the control panel assembly. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.